Here at Western Volkswagen we have over 500 used cars available in a range from petrol, electric and diesel. And here's the Volkswagen Golf Mark 7 Facelift 1.5 litre TSI nav Evo 130 PS. The car's great and it has a top spec, including front and rear parking sensors and adaptive cruise control. Alongside that as well, it also has these 16-inch Linas alloy wheels. The boot's a good size and it even comes equipped with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has an 8-inch colour touchscreen, a USB port for Apple or Android CarPlay and a composition media system. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.